Yeah, you are right. I felt like I was a hawker at the gates of hell.
It will probably feel like you know, maybe we should seriously consider joining CA classes.
You see now, comrade, you are losing the plot now. Why do we need extra classes?
Sir, the plan is simple. Crime pass and then zishang everpa.
You are right. But he's also right.
You know, this cost chowing thing is a two-way street. You can chow it or it can chow you.
I thought
that's nice when I will register.
I know some of you think you can easily pass the CTA course by using the CPF method. But guess what? Today, you are straight out of luck.
That's very simple. I'll try it tomorrow.
La. Here it's very simple. If you do not study, you will become a professional dead poser. Gulama Facebook win.
You sound like a Facebook post telling me that if I don't type amen, I will die in the morning.
When fun? If uzmisela ngokupasa, you need to go through all these books.
You must be standing outside of your brain if you think you are going to study that pile of headaches.
You have to spend 30 hours studying if you want a vrpa.
30 hours per year?
Per week. Exactly. You might as well break up with your girlfriend because there will be no time for that. If you have a child, you might...
Unyagange stop.
Access yakhipha ntwana white motion on stage. Kushinamba ingane iphuzo zwakala ndoda.
No ways. Come on, I am busy here.
Ubhizi uzenza uvobela. Chava. Bek. Nangu Pinky, nangu Bonki.
I am still busy.
Bek ngiphethe nani bek. Yazi ngiphethe nani? Phethe namamoyane.
I'll be right there.
I'm sure you all know the rules of exam. It would be a shame for me to send one of you to the ancestors.
Bafethu, wena ngitshela ukuthi kune exam vandag. Yo, enhle kanti ngikhohle nepeni lana.
I don't think your retard level has been discovered yet. Psst.
Yeah?
What's the date?
16 November.
No, I mean, what year is it?
What? Afalile dihlonimela go dihlonimela bana.
Yeah, I will leave a little slides nyana motile.
Yes.
Esa.
What's about Odom Gob? I didn't know that you are an Olympic stupid.
You can't even change the time on your phone, Maranyo Kompochaka CTA.
Yo, makrizu zongibulala yi. Enhle why me vele? Ngathukile shandisi yama witchcraft manje.
Hello, Pink. Please delete my number and pretend I don't exist. Money? For what exactly? Evan, and this was a Mavuso package. I didn't get the memo. Please don't call this number again or even think about scrolling past it. Emon, uchereka di parajemon.
Yeah, le rata bya.
Matsuman. Iscrap ya tesfana na usitova pitranse krenso.
Usavuchisha. Let's just say CA classes ya ribusa mfanaka. Second half of which?
Obvious ucho humana mollo jana somewhere.
Usakhuluma. Asiphuthume so register baba.